Rev it. What up, what up? Alright, so this is our brand new car that Jeremy got. We've been restoring it in the background for a while. Haven't really filmed anything on it. Some guy hit us up. He's like, hey, can I pay you to drive it? It's like my dream car. And we're like, alright, maybe we'll entertain that idea. So we're just prepping the car, gonna do an oil change. And then maybe in the future, we might let this guy drive it. He's gonna pay us to drive it, so we might take him up on that offer. It's another left-hand drive, slick top, clean title, super clean body.
Super clean interior.
Oh yeah, interior is clean too. So, yeah. After I got one, Jeremy's like, dude, I hella want one, so we found him this one.
Yeah.
It's
gonna be a battle
super
for
clean.
who's just cleaner.
Yep. That's what we're striving for now. No more ratchet cars.
Nope.
Only clean cars. Look at how shiny this
It's crazy
thing is.
how like lucky we've gotten too. Like we find all these things like super locally, and we don't have to go out of state. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, that is pretty nice. 99 spec tails. It does have these little holes that we just plugged up because it had the 99 spec wing. But you know, it's pretty common to have a wingless FD. Just look at that paint though. Another interior shot, all black interior. All black interior with the cloth seats, just so good. Mostly stock motor. We still don't know anything about rotaries. We both have rotaries and we've never had to actually touch a rotary. They've been really reliable. Well, I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do today. Good old oil change, as with any new car you get. So we've got this Castrol 2050. Make sure it's conventional oil because rotaries like conventional oil. They burn a little bit on purpose by design. So that's what we're going to do today. Oil change and just clean this thing up a little more. And a little update on the drift car. Check it out. Found this 99 spec bumper. Looks so good with the turn signals. I just need to get it paint matched or even repaint the whole car. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. What do you guys think? You like the Montego blue? Or the mica blue bumper? Or do a whole new color? I'm thinking maybe black or white.
Oh, I see. Right.
It's going in. We're on an adventure today. There's all these Miatas going somewhere.
That's what we're gonna see.
We're in a big, expensive Miata.
Yeah.
So let's see where they're going.
What great timing! Oh, they're all getting over. Follow the Miatas. Oh, there's a newer one. MX-5. What is that? We should gas them now. too rainy, bro.
All right, give you guys some audio of how it sounds. Oh, just a little bit. I could do a pull going up this ramp. Sounds so good. Yeah, it's hard to capture the sound, but in the parking garage you can actually like hear how it sounds. Yeah.
Sounds great.
Proper FD sounds.
Love it. Anything over here?
You can go up one more. Do another pull. Oh yeah.
It's a good spot.
Maybe towards the back.
Oh yeah, I got
Like down there's like no cars. Just too clean. Alright, we're hiding in the parking garage because it's raining, but let me give you a 360 of the car. And up close, the paint it hits pretty good right now. Gotta get the 99 specs going. Rev it. That's how it should sound. Yeah, those are good.